to those who they have touched. One thing you don't know about Dr. Okechukwu that I happen to know because I work very closely with her is that her salary at Montgomery College goes primarily to enrollment. This woman makes extraordinary sacrifices, and her sacrifices inspire wonderful people from her country, like family and others, to go into their pockets and also help. This is really development at its strongest, when the people of the country stand up and say, however little we have, we are investing it in our country and in our children. And what does this do? This inspires us from other parts of the world, like Andrea from Italy, for example. It inspires us to do what we can do, however little it may be. A lot of little bits make one big bit that makes a truly deep impact on a people, on a culture, on a country. And I am really excited about the Purdue students being here. I've worked with students in the university focusing on global exposure. And I know how important this experience is for you. I think several of you are freshmen and sophomores. This is absolutely the perfect time in your educational journey to be doing this. Yes, you're learning to help others as part of what you're doing, but you're learning also to help yourself by growing with others in another part of the world. And this is a critical part of your learning experience. I commend you for what you're doing. In this process, you will learn not only to understand a different culture, you will learn to respect people who are so different from you, who speak differently, who live differently. That respect is the key to success anywhere in the world. Believe me when I say this to you. I've traveled and lived in many different countries, from Europe to Africa to Latin America. And I always found that respect was what opened the door for me. Wherever I went, people received me as family because I learned to respect them and to honor them. And so take that with you as you go forward, but I'm really proud of you and really excited that you have made this choice to make this journey with us. I have one more point that I want to raise that is really exciting, and I have to say mea culpa. Mea culpa. This morning, early this morning, I got an email letter from the executive secretary of the organization called Environment and Development in Africa. And it's a large international NGO which has sites, offices in Europe, in Asia, in Latin America, and they work with over 43 countries in Africa, doing amazing things, doing amazing projects focused on the sustainable development goals now. And the executive secretary wrote this letter to Dr. Okechukwu. Unfortunately, I didn't have my computer or a way to print out the letter and bring it. I ran into technical difficulties. So I'm going to have to kind of tell you what he said in the letter. And I was really impressed. First of all, Mr. Musambai, the executive secretary of NENDA, said to Dr. Okechukwu that he's proud that his organization is a co-sponsor of this event. He wants to commend her and her partners for all of the exceptional work that they are doing. Why? Not only because it is helping Nigeria, but it is also setting an example for the rest of Africa. And it is their intention as the model that Inweli is developing gets to a point where it can be shared. It is their intention to play an important role in sharing that model in other countries of Africa. This is really exciting, ladies and gentlemen, because other countries in Africa will learn from the hard-learned lessons that Inweli has experienced, and they will be able to start at a higher level. Their beginning point won't be here, where Dr. Okechukwu started with tears and sweat and all of that. They will have fewer tears and less sweat, but they will benefit from what is being done here. Also, he's very pleased about the partnerships that have developed. Partnerships are critical. Never ever think that wherever you're doing something that you should go it alone. The way this world is today, people must come together for transformative change to take place. And this is happening with this model. And so Mr. Mai said he's very pleased with what is being done here, and he's very proud to be a co-sponsor of this